I'm diving into the world of small cap stocks to find the next big winners. Can I uncover the best ones to buy right now? Small cap stocks have always been a crucial part of a well-diversified investment portfolio. They offer a unique combination of growth potential and risk that can be attractive to investors looking to maximize their returns. But despite their importance, many investors neglect to include them in their strategy, often due to a lack of understanding about how to identify promising small cap stocks and mitigate the risks involved. One of the main challenges investors face when it comes to small cap stocks is the sheer amount of noise in the market. With thousands of small cap companies listed on major exchanges, it can be overwhelming to separate the winners from the losers. Additionally, small cap stocks are often subject to greater volatility, making it difficult to make informed investment decisions. Moreover, many small cap companies lack the financial resources and expertise to effectively communicate their value proposition to investors, making it hard to get a clear picture of their potential. And to make matters even more complicated, small cap stocks are often subject to significant short-term price swings, which can be intimidating for even the most seasoned investors. Despite challenges, the potential rewards of investing in small cap stocks make it worth exploring. When you get it right, the returns can be substantial. It's essential to be diligent in your research and understand the business before investing. Technology and healthcare sectors have been driving much of the growth in the small cap space. Significant opportunities are emerging in e-commerce, online education, and cybersecurity. Companies leveraging AI and machine learning are particularly attractive. Incredible growth in cloud computing, IoT, and 5G infrastructure. Small cap companies in these areas are posting remarkable numbers. Companies like Air Test Systems and Digital Turbine are disrupting their industries. These companies are poised for significant growth. Exciting developments in healthcare, particularly in biotech and medical devices. Companies like Adverum Biotechnologies and Orthofix Medical are pioneering new technologies. Okay, so what are the top small cap stocks to buy now? Based on my research, I'm excited to share 4 companies that I believe have significant potential for high returns. Firstly, we have Novan Inc., a biotech company that's developing a novel treatment for acne. With a strong clinical pipeline and a proven management team, I believe Novan has the potential to be a breakout star in the biotech space. Next up, we have Workhorse Group, a company that's pioneering electric last-mile delivery solutions. With the growing demand for sustainable logistics and the increasing adoption of electric vehicles, Workhorse is well-positioned to capitalize on this trend. Thirdly, we have Applied Therapeutics, a biotech company that's developing novel treatments for rare genetic diseases. With a strong intellectual property portfolio and an experienced management team, I believe Applied Therapeutics has the potential to be a leader in this space. And lastly, we have Casper Sleep, a company that's disrupting the sleep industry with its innovative mattresses and sleep solutions. With a strong brand presence and a growing e-commerce platform, I believe Casper has the potential to be a leader in this space. In summary, small cap stocks offer investors a unique opportunity to tap into high growth potential, but it's essential to be cautious and do your research. By focusing on sectors like tech and healthcare and identifying companies with strong fundamentals and proven management teams, you can increase your chances of success. And by remembering the key points we discussed today, you'll be well on your way to building a profitable small cap portfolio. What do you think about the small cap stocks I mentioned today? Do you have any favorite small cap stocks that you think have the potential to be big winners? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other investment videos for more insights and analysis.